In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a landing page in GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get from a blank account screen to a working landing page. You can start customizing for your business or project. First, make sure you're logged in to your GoHighLevel account and you're in the correct location or workspace. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, look for the navigation menu. From there, click on the option labeled Sites. This is where all of your websites, funnels, and landing pages are managed, so it's the main area you'll be working in whenever you build pages. Once you're inside the Sites section, you'll see different tabs or options at the top. Click on Websites. This tab is specifically for full websites and standalone landing pages, as opposed to funnels or other assets. Give the page a second to load and you should see a list of any existing websites you've already created, or it might be empty if this is your first time. Now, to start building a new landing page, look for the button that says New Website, or plus New Website, usually located at the top right of the screen. Click on that. This is the starting point for creating a fresh project. Think of this as opening a new file where your landing page will live. After clicking that button, GoHighLevel will give you two main options for how you want to create your site. You can start from blank, or you can choose from templates. If you click on From Blank down, you'll begin with a completely empty page. This is great if you want full control over every section and you're comfortable designing from scratch. On the other hand, if you prefer a faster start, you can click on From Templates. This lets you pick from pre-designed layouts that you can later customize with your own text, images, and branding. Once you've chosen whether you're starting from a blank page or a template, click on the Continue button. This confirms your choice and takes you to the next step. Take a moment here to double check that you've selected the option that matches your design skill level and the time you have available. If you selected the template route, GoHighLevel will now show you a gallery of available designs. Browse through the options and find one that fits your goal, whether it's lead generation, event registration, or a simple information page. When you've found a design you like, click on Choose Template. This will load that template into the builder where you can start editing the text, images, and